Hey, what's up guys, I'm Alex, and today this is how you assemble the Dynamic Disc Mission Rig Handeye bag. Let's get into it. The bag itself comes with 4 boards. The big board, which goes in the back, and you got 2 matching ones that goes on the side, and then 1 small one that goes in the front. It also comes with a divider, but unfortunately I don't have that with me right now. But in order to put the boards in, there are zippers in the main compartment of the bag. You can put in the boards that are specifically designed to go into each pocket. For instance, these 2 will go in the sides, that will go in the back, this one will go right here in the front. First, I'm going to start with the big board. This one goes in the back, and as you can see, the shape is not necessarily square. You want the smaller side put in first on top and have the bigger side on bottom. Alright, so the first thing you want to do to install the backboard is to move this out the way. So you can put this on top pocket here, and that way you can have more room and see what you're doing. But now you'll see that you'll have the zippers right here. Well, actually 1 zipper. The zipper will be on the top left, and what you want to do is that you want to unzip it all the way. So you want to go down here, down and around, like so, and then you put this back up, and boom. Now you have this flap. So now, as you can see, this is where you'll put the big backboard in. Now you have your big piece here. Put the smaller in front. Well, first put it like this. We'll put this out the way like that. By the way, this will take a minute to get because it's kind of hard, but now you want to move that right there, put that on the other side, and there you go. Now you can zip this back, which the zipper is over here. Okay, I got the zipper, zip it all the way up, and boom. Now you have 1 piece installed. So I'm gonna start with the sides now. It doesn't really matter what side you choose. I'm gonna start with this side. The zipper is right here. Now all you gotta do is just pull that down, and there you go. Now you can put this board in. All right, so once this zipper is undone, now you can grab one of the sides. As you can see here, it's a unique shape. You want the back side in towards the back, and you want to put it in from the bottom because the way the zippers are. Alright, so once you get that in there, now you can zip this up. Make sure you flatten that out, fold the pouch here, and then zip it up. The sides are probably the trickiest boards to put in because of the way the zipper is. Alright, so the same thing applies to this side. The zipper will be right here. You pull it down. Now you can put in this board the same way like this one. And yes, you will have to bend it, but that's okay. Make sure the board is inside the zipper. Pull this up. Pull the zipper up right here, and boom. Make sure the zipper goes all the way to the back because that's just the best way to do it. Yeah, there you go. Now we have the backboard and the 2 side boards in. So this is your last board you'll have, is a small little board. Before you can put this in, this is where you're actually putting it at. So there is these 2 little flaps, a little hard to find, but there's this flap. I'm gonna flip this over, and inside the bag right here, sorry, it's a bit dirty, you'll have this little flap. On this side, there's a little Velcro right here, which this will attach to this. Alright, so now you're putting this piece in. Make sure you want to put the longer side on the bottom, and make sure it's flat right here. So now what you want to do is move this flap up and put this over here to the side, and boom. There you go. Now you got yourself a bag that is properly set up, and instead of it flopping over and stuff, it's properly structured. You can check out this bag on the Dynamic Disc store. It's on sale right now, I believe, so you can check that out, link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video helped you on how to assemble this bag. Make sure to like the video and comment what your thoughts are on this bag. Subscribe if you're new, and click the notification bell down below so you can get notified for all the videos I upload. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.